In an unusual incident in Cuttack, a monkey remained stranded on an electric pole at Kalinga Square under Jodhwar block for nearly 3 hours, leaving locals and passengers by astonished. According to reports, the monkey climbed up the pole but was unable to come down, prompting concerned citizens to alert the electricity department. The forest department workers arrived at the scene and made attempts to rescue the animal, but were unsuccessful due to the high risk involved. Following their failed efforts, the fire department personnel stepped in to carry out the rescue operation. After nearly 3 hours of continuous effort, the monkey was finally rescued, drawing a large crowd of onlookers throughout the ordeal. This unusual incident quickly became the talk of the town as people gathered to witness the daring rescue that captivated everyone's attention.
मांकटी हठात गछ डेउला से इलेक्ट्रिक पोल चढ़ी ऊपर पलैला पलैपर सागे आम करेन्ट काटिदेलु सेटा पूरा 2-3 घंटा खंडे रहा ऊपर बसिक रहा ओल्लानी जिते चेष्टा कले भी जमा ओल्लानी लोक टे जाम हबार आईसी सार आसते लोक ये क्राउड भांगी फायर बाला को डाकी फायर बाला आसी चेष्टा करते बहुत समय चेष्टा है से मांकटी तलू आसला बर्तमान सुस्थ सुरक्षित अच्छी किसी तार प्रोब्लेम ना भल अच्छी।